One of the weapon categories that has been revived by drone warfare are the 12-gauge shotguns. Now, we've seen a lot of shotguns being used in the Russia-Ukraine war for counter-drone applications. You have troopers that are literally firing shotguns, bringing down these small first-person view drones. So, I'm here at the Triple S Defense stall. I'm here with Alisha Machani, who fires a shotgun. She's a mean lady with a shotgun or a assault rifle, right?
100%.
She's got a good hand. She's got a good pair of eyes as well. And she's going to tell me about this new product from Triple S Defense. It's a 12-gauge shotgun, Alisha.
Yes. So, Sandeep, this is our 12-gauge semi-automatic gas-operated shotgun.
Right.
We call it the Triple S Defense T12.
Right.
We actually already had orders almost right off the bat for this one, just because of how popular the application of a shotgun is in today's combat scenario or environment.
So it's counter-drone. A lot of it is
Yes.
counter-FPV and stuff like
I think one of the main applications is counter-drone. However, any CQB application with a 12-gauge, it's quite an evergreen application and
Sure.
a caliber, right?
Yeah.
But I think what we've done with it is, because in very close combat scenarios, especially in counter-drone, we
Right.
need to act fast.
Yes.
And pump action, which is the traditional 12 bore kind of gun that's been made, isn't fast enough for somebody to react.
Right.
So we've made this semi-automatic, and the semi-automatic basically allows rapid engagement.
Right.
And we've got such a smooth kind of charging handle here. I would allow you to actually handle the
Yeah.
weapon.
Let me have a look at that. Yeah. And how many shots in a box?
So the magazine capacity is 5 rounds, but we can
Right.
tune it out to 10 rounds based on the user. As of now, we've not seen that requirement.
Right.
But one of the coolest features is that it's also got the Picatinny rails, so it's
Sure.
quite a modern. It looks like an assault rifle.
Right.
Let's be
Absolutely.
honest.
I kind of missed it. I thought it was an AR, and then I took a closer look, and I realized that this was your
Exactly.
shotgun. And then
That's the point
and
of it.
potential users of this, police, paramilitary.
Of course,
armed
so
forces?
this police, paramilitary, of course, any perimeter or border control security, that's one of the major ones especially.
Right.
And something that you may have also covered earlier was the Varaha
That's right.
vertical
Yes.
that we have at Triple S Defense.
Yes.
So this gun kind of works closely with that vertical, because
Right.
this is our hard kill kind of mechanism, right? This is exactly the last resort for any
Yeah.
man on the field would be to use this weapon. Hopefully
It's like
it
the
doesn't-
CIWS for infantry.
Absolutely. It's
Right.
plan B or C at the end when nothing works. And we've actually done extreme rigorous testing. We've studied the spread of this gun. And the best part about this specific weapon, like a lot of 12 bore guns, is that there's many different chokes.
Yeah.
So you can kind of change the rim here or the choke here, which
Right.
manipulates the spread of the ammunition. So depending on how close or how far away the drone is, you
Yeah.
can manipulate how much the spread of the ammunition
Right.
is.
So what's the typical spread? Can you tell our viewers what a spread
Yeah.
of a shotgun
Well,
is?
so first of all, the shotgun ammunition is a completely different ballgame.
Sure.
You have lead, you have steel, and you
Right.
have tungsten, which is kind of a mix of tungsten as well as steel shots.
Right.
So now lead shots are kind of your, I guess, primate ones. They're
Yeah.
the most standard ones. And though the spread of that is kind of more concentrated. But as you get towards steel and tungsten, you can manipulate the spread to be a little bit
Sure.
more. So the choke, what doesn't actually manipulate what type of ammunition, but how closely you want the pellets inside the ammunition to
Right.
be spread. So you kind of got 2 ways to control the spread with this gun, with
Hmm.
the ammunition as well as the choke. So as simple as that.
Have you tested it against drones? And what kind of drones have you fired this against?
So we tested this on the field during trials. We trialed this against your smaller drones, which are around 3 to 4 kgs,
Yeah.
down in a second.
Right.
We also tested this with a 30 kilo drone.
Right.
Also came down, but of course it needed a couple of shots, but it gets the job done profoundly well. We had
Right.
absolutely no issues.
Right.
So it's definitely a very effective way for CQB and counter drone.
Right. And do you have any orders for this? Inquiries that could translate into orders?
We have orders. We're actually in the midst of delivery of this weapon to the Indian Army. So,
right. Interesting.
one of our first Indian Army deliveries, as
Right.
far as all of our weapons are in trials with the Indian Army, but we have secured the order and are currently supplying to the Indian
Right.
Army.
Oh, great. And an IDDM weapon.
Absolutely.
Wish you a lot more orders, Alisha.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thanks for being with us on Chakra, and we keep watching your videos very closely. And T12, you just heard it from Alisha Machani of Triple S Defense. This is the shotgun to look out for, a semi-automatic shotgun. It's one of the first of the recent weapons to come out, shotgun, specialized shotgun, to come out in counter drone applications.
Absolutely. Thank you.